Good morning, students, class 9. I, J. Kumar, once again before you with today's topic, and our today's topic will be difference between molecular mass and formula unit mass. Students, molecular mass already I have discussed before you. Molecular mass is the mass of one molecule of a substance, and formula unit mass is also mass of one unit molecule of a substance. But what is difference between these two? I have to understand this hereby. Okay, students, the term molecular mass is used for those compounds which are made of non-metallic atoms. For examples, HCl. Students, in HCl, H is a nonmetal and Cl is also a nonmetal. So if you calculate the mass of its, that mass is said to be molecular mass. Right? So compounds made of non-metallic atoms, their masses are said to be molecular masses, and compound which is made of metallic and non-metallic atoms, for example NaCl. Students, in NaCl, Na is a metal, you well know, and Cl is a non-metal. So you can see here the compound NaCl has been made of metallic and non-metallic atom. So if you calculate the mass of this compound, then that mass should be said to formula unit mass. So you have to keep in your minds the term molecular mass is used for those compounds which are made of non-metallic atoms, and formula unit mass term should be used to those compounds which are made of metallic and non-metallic atoms both. Right? So keep in mind. Okay? So compound made of metal and non-metal, their masses should be read as formula unit mass, and compound made of non-metallic atoms, their mass should be read as molecular mass. Molecular mass. And this is formula unit mass. This is formula unit mass. Okay? Now let me say some more concept about these two. Students, compounds made of metallic and non-metallic atoms are said to be ionic compounds. Are said to be ionic compounds. And compounds made of non-metallic atoms are said to be covalent compounds. So also you can say here that formula unit mass term is used for ionic compounds and molecular mass term is used for the covalent compounds. So what are ionic compounds? Compounds made of metallic and non-metallic atoms. What are covalent compounds? Compound made of non-metallic atoms. So I think you should write some more examples of ionic compounds and covalent compounds. And for ionic compounds, the term formula unit mass should be used, and for covalent compounds, the term molecular mass should be used. Okay, now students, let me say why formula unit mass for ionic compounds and why molecular mass for covalent compounds. So students, actually ionic compounds do not exist as discrete molecule. Ionic compounds do not exist as isolated compound, do not exist as a single molecule. Such compounds exist in crystalline form. Such compounds exist in crystalline lattices. It means so many. Here N stands for so many NaCl joins together and form a lattice and form a network. In NaCl compound, there are so many Na ion are attached with Cl minus ion, and Cl minus ions are attached with Na plus ion. As they do not exist as single molecule, they exist in lattices. That is why to calculate its molar mass from its lattice, one unit is taken out and mass is calculated, and that is why that mass is read as formula unit mass. So what I told you, what you can learn from here, you will learn that ionic compounds do not exist as a single molecule. They exist in lattice form. They exist in a big network form. And from that big network, one unit is taken out for its mass, and that mass is read as formula unit mass. Okay? Molecular mass, as these compounds exist as discrete molecule, so here there is no problem to calculate its mass. So as it exists as a single molecule, so for its single molecule we calculate the mass, and that mass is simply read as molecular mass. Clear? So formula unit mass is used for ionic compounds because ionic compounds exist. Ionic compound does not exist in single molecule. They exist in lattices, means so many NaCl molecules together form a big network, and that big network is said its lattice. So as they exist in lattices, so to calculate its mass, one unit is taken out, taken out, and by calculating its mass, we read this mass as formula unit mass. Okay, so my dear students, formula unit mass term should be used for the compounds which are made of metallic and non-metallic atoms, right? And compounds made of metallic and non-metallic atoms are said to be ionic compounds because in such compounds two oppositely charged ions are present, and that is why they are said to be ionic compounds. And for ionic compounds, the term formula unit mass should be used. Why used? Because such compounds do not exist as a discrete molecule, do not exist as single molecule. They exist in a big network which is said to be lattices. So they exist in lattices, and that is why to calculate their mass, 1 unit from their lattice is taken out, and by calculating its mass, that mass is said to be or read as formula unit mass. Okay, clear? So I think these two terms you must have understood what is difference between formula unit mass and molecular mass, right? Formula unit mass term once again used for the compounds made of metallic and non-metallic atoms, and molecular mass term is used for the compounds which are made of only non-metallic atoms. Compounds made of only non-metallic atoms each or are said to be covalent compounds, and compounds made of metallic and non-metallic atoms, they are said to be ionic compounds. And ionic compounds do not exist as a discrete molecule, do not exist as a single molecule. They exist in lattice. That is why 1 unit from their lattice is taken out, and that mass is said to be formula unit mass. Okay, so I think students, this topic has been cleared to all of you. Thank you very much.